Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we're going to explain how to remove or how to replace front door window. Okay, front door window on driver's side or passenger side, it should cover both of them guys. Procedure is about the same. Quick introduction, we guys have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys for all the work we do. If you need to buy any tools or any parts guys to fix your car, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price, so check it out. Let's start on the front window removal now. So first, what do we need to do now? Right here we have two caps that we need to remove. I'm going to explain the first one right here. It's under the door handle guys. You have a cap that we need to remove. This one you just get a small screwdriver, okay, and we pop it loose. And why we need to do that? Because there is one screw underneath. Okay, he has guys 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. Now underneath there is a screw. That screw guys, it's Torx 20. Start looking bit. We even have the power screwdriver that we're going to demonstrate in a little bit. Perfect. Now right here in the door handle we have another one. Remove that one as well. Well, actually we got 2. I don't know how we have 2 covers there. Somebody left another one. So remove that screw as well. 2 so far. If you guys need to buy any tools, any parts for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can find tools and parts for a great price. Okay, great. Now, what we're going to do now guys, okay, we need to get a plastic panel removal tool. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. We need to go between the door panel. Okay, usually you want to go between the door panel and the door. Okay, and pry it open. Yep, right here I think we'll be able to do it on the bottom. It's pretty tight. This one hasn't been removed, so okay. You're going to have multiple clips, and we're going to explain about all that in a second. After that, grab it. Okay, but here, okay. Let's see if that mirror cover comes off now or later. Okay, now we need to remove the mirror cover. It has only 1 clip, and 1 fell out. Actually 2 clips guys. You can see where there's supposed to be 1 here, 1 there. So we'll get a clip removal tool. We'll go underneath this one. Okay, and pull it out and install it on the cover. So later we can install it. Otherwise we won't be able to install it. Perfect. Next, we need to grab the panel and lift straight up so we can come out of the locking rod here. Okay, just a little bit more. Perfect. Now, we guys need to disconnect. Okay, we need to disconnect the cable that opens the door right here. Okay, it's supposed to spread out. Then pull it, come out of the canal, and pull out of the ball. And next thing that we need to do, we need to disconnect all the wires guys. Okay, for the master window switch, power locks, and the mirror switch for the side mirrors. We're going to explain each one of those, okay, once we remove the panel, so you can see how we do that, because otherwise it's practically impossible. So, okay, just working on the last one now. Okay, perfect. Right here guys, okay, let me show you quick. On this one, okay, you press down, you pull it out. This way, you press down here, you pull it out. On this thing right here guys, you need to pull that red thing out a little bit. Okay, then press in here and pull it out. Now, where are all the clips on that door panel? So you know what we have here. Okay, we have a clip that needs to be, okay, replaced. It's broken right here. 1, 2, clips 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 clips guys, 8 clips. So 4 yellow, 4 gray ones. And the door panel comes out of there. So next we have 2 screws with Torx 20 that we need to remove again. Right here they hold that bracket for the door panel guys, right here. So go ahead, remove those. Okay, great. Next, what do we need to do? Okay, that insulation, you have to gently pull it out without breaking it, guys. You have to be super careful because otherwise you're going to hear wind noise. Winter time, your car will not be insulated as good. Definitely you'll get colder out inside, and summertime as well. So gently, guys, start pulling that thing until we take it off. Okay, that's it. We can just leave it there, just a little bit more on this side. Okay, and that should be enough. If you want, you can remove the whole thing, but for that purpose you might need to remove the door speaker to remove the whole insulation. We're going to get some duct tape and we're going to tape the window to stay up now, or you have to have a person holding it, but I recommend to tape it really good, guys. Maybe even 2-3 spots, not just one. Ours, one holds pretty good, but always double secure it so you don't, it doesn't drop, it doesn't smash your fingers, and it doesn't break inside your door as well. So what we need to do now, we need to get, guys, a 10mm socket. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and loosen the window. Okay, that's it. There is one bracket there, one right here. Those are the okay, this is the spots where it holds your window. So that is out, guys. Okay, you can see, don't take them all the way off. It just spreads the clamps. We're going to show you in a second how it works, and actually spreads them and releases the window from the holders. Now 10mm bolt on the bottom. Get that one out. 10mm there. This one, just get it loose. Okay, or maybe take it off. We'll just take it off. You can even slide them if you want to. Okay, regulator is gonna fall on one side. Now we have one more there in the middle. Okay, now it's very important how we remove it, guys, because we need to install it exactly in the same way. So we need to remember, guys, okay, how that thing comes out in what order. Otherwise, okay, it will be hard to install it later. Okay, probably one of the things will come out first. We need to disconnect the wire, pull that red thing out. Okay, let me see. Okay, like that. Now press here on the front. Okay, or the back side. Right there. And disconnect it, guys. Okay, let me show you the connector quick. This is the connector, that's where we pressed in. Now, let's try to get the regulator out. Maybe one arm at a time without breaking things. Okay, and you can see the whole assembly with the window motor, everything came out of there just like that. So what we're going to do, we'll remove the duct tape now, and we're going to attempt to remove the window. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to grab the window with two hands gently and hold it, guys, and pull it down. While we're pulling it down, pushing it down actually, okay, we'll try to twist it, okay, in an angle like that, come out of the canals and grab the window and pull it out. And you can see this is front door window, guys. That's how you remove it. Not very complicated, not as simple too, because you have to disassemble quite a few things, but not too complicated, guys. So putting it together in reverse order, we took it apart. You need to get it in the canals. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.